Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to spoiler an image on Discord. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now what you have to do is simply go to the server of your choice. After you do that, tap on the channel in which you want to send the image. Now in order to send the image, first of all what you have to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to select the image to send. Simply tap on the image of your choice. Now you can see over here that particular image will be selected. What you have to do is simply tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options for image description, mark as a spoiler, remove file. What you have to do is simply check on this box, mark as a spoiler, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can simply scroll down like this. Now tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the image is being sent. The image that has been sent will be marked as spoiler. That means it will appear blurred until clicked on it. You can see over here you'll only be able to see the image when you tap on it. So like this you'll be able to spoiler an image. So that is how you spoiler an image on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.